Grassroots itself is different because it's like a hometown race. The event itself feels like really high production. However, it's literally just like your backyard fun. My experience at Grassroots Gravel, I came in as a queer person not really knowing what it would be like, to be honest. Sometimes you go past Denver and as a queer person you might not feel as safe. What we found at Grassroots Gravel is that they've really made space for folks who look like me, for BIPOC folks, for other trans folks to come down and enjoy the sport of cycling, right? Because this event was built for folks to be able to come and enjoy the community, to ride bikes, have a good time, and just show up as they are. The gravel scene in Colorado is phenomenal, and the gravel down in Pueblo is like pretty great. If you're even considering coming down to Grassroots Gravel in Pueblo, I would encourage you to do more than just consider. Come down and join us. We're gonna have a great time. Me and my partner from Queer Plus Bikes will be there. It's in October. Come have a great time with us and enjoy the gravel.